you hungry? Checkers. Are you hungry, girl? Say, yeah, Mama. You forgot to feed me, huh? I did, didn't I? See? I think I forgot to feed her. What do you think? Let's go see. Are you hungry? Maybe? Possibly? Just a little bit? You want some food? She'd do this for hours if I didn't feed her. Wouldn't ya? Say, yeah, I would, Mama. Are you hungry? You are? Would you like some food? Are you gonna come tell me all about it? Oh, that's sad. You're out of food. Would you like some? Yeah? Would you like some water too? Because I see you don't have any. That's a yes? Okay. Mama feed you. See, there's your food. There you go. Oh! You want some? See, her dish is empty. That's what she's been bugging me about. Mama should pay more attention. Now there's food in it. All better. You have water? You do. See? Water. Is that all better? Is that better? Is that better? Are you going to stare at it or are you going to eat it? Apparently that's a yes, that's better. Anyway, that's what happens when you forget to feed your cat. She comes and gets you. Yep, there you go.